Hi, Lingokids. I'm Nathaniel.
And I'm Joseph. Say hi to Callie and Elliot.
They'll be cooking with us later. Today we're going to talk all about eggs.
We'll show you egg dishes from all around the world.
We'll make two of them, huevos rancheros and huevos rotos.
Let's wash our hands.
Have you ever cracked an egg? Eggs are gooey when they're not cooked.
So let's crack another one.
What?
It's a hard-boiled egg. It's already been cooked.
Get me. Hard-boiled eggs are chewy.
We also eat scrambled eggs. They're soft.
Fried eggs can be cooked a lot so they're firm.
Or cooked a little so they're runny. Those are good ways to cook eggs. But you can make fancier dishes too.
Oh yeah, there are a lot of different ways to eat eggs.
In China, they eat
Jianbing.
yummy.
In France, they eat French omelets. Some people add cheese and other things to their omelets. But a true French omelet is just eggs.
In the United States, they eat egg salad for lunch. In Mexico, they eat huevos rancheros.
In Spain, they eat huevos rotos for lunch or dinner.
Let's get cracking. First up, huevos rancheros. Huevos is Spanish for
Eggs.
Huevos rancheros are ranch-style eggs.
We have black beans, salsa, corn, tortillas, all together. They're all warm.
And avocado, cilantro, and cheese. Now we'll fry the eggs.
The pan is hot. Be careful. I like that sizzle sound.
Cook the eggs as long as you want.
You can flip them over too. When eggs are done, you put it all together. Oh, these smell good.
Not yet.
Can we make the next one?
Huevos rotos. That means broken eggs.
We already made the French fries for a recipe. Now we make the eggs.
In Spain, they use olive oil to fry eggs.
Keep the yolks runny.
When they're done, you could put them on top of the potatoes.
That is amazing. And here's the best part.
Yes.
Broken eggs.
These huevos rancheros are really good.
Not as good as huevos rotos.
Delicious.
Excellent. You can make it too. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Check out the recipe.
Catch you in the kitchen. Hi Lingokids, I'm Nathaniel.
And I'm Joseph.
Callie and Elliot are here too. Today we're going to count and talk about colors
And make some apple snacks.
Right, we're making apple rings.
What's your favorite color apple?
Red. Callie, what's your favorite color apple? Callie likes red apples too.
Elliot likes yellow apples.
Me too.
Really?
Yep, and I like green apples.
Okay, so you like red, yellow, and green apples.
Yep, I do.
I can tell you my favorite color apple. Blue.
Blue? There aren't any blue apples.
Well, I tried. Let's make some apple rings. What's the first thing we do when we cook?
We wash our hands. Now we wash the apples. Now we core them.
Thanks, I'll do this part. You have to be careful when you core an apple. This is sharp.
I see you. Hello out there. Now we slice them. I think you should do this too.
Safety first.
Slice, slice, slice. Slice. Super slicing. Now for the best part, the toppings, yay!
Here are the soft toppings.
Peanut butter, cream cheese, and hazelnut spread.
And the other toppings?
Peanuts,
Raisins,
chocolate chips,
shredded coconut,
sliced bananas,
crumbled pretzels,
and crumbled cookies. How many toppings are there? Guess.
9.
Let's see if you're right.
Let's do it.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10. I was so close.
Better look next time. Spread the salt toppings on first so the other toppings will stick. You can decorate yours however you want. Let's start decorating. These look so good.
They do. That was fun.
You can make it too. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Check out the recipe.
Catch you in the kitchen. I'm Nathaniel.
And I'm Joseph. I hope you're ready to have some fun.
Say hi to Kelly and Elliot. They'll be helping us later.
Today we're going to use some fun kitchen tools.
And we're gonna make
Fancy mashed potatoes.
I think we better warm up first.
Why are we doing this?
This recipe takes a lot of strength. Somebody old might get hurt.
What?
Time to wash our hands. Step 1 is wash the potatoes. Now we peel the potatoes. Here's the potato peeler.
Thanks. This is how people peel potatoes.
Watch out for the sharp edges, Dad. Now you cut the potatoes. The knife is too sharp for me.
Yep, safer for grown-ups to use. Next, we boil the potatoes. The stove is hot.
I see bubbles.
While we wait for the potatoes, do you want to learn a dance? It's called the mashed potato.
Really?
Let's go over here. So your feet go in and out, and your arms go up and down.
Okay. I've got it.
You got it.
Go, Kelly.
Nice move, Elliot.
The potatoes are ready.
Yes.
We've got to drain them. Bye-bye, water. Now we mash the potatoes. This is a masher. It's fun because you press it in the potatoes and then the potatoes get all mashed.
You can also use a fork to mash potatoes.
This takes muscles.
Now we add warm milk and butter.
And salt. And pepper. Mash alert!
Those look perfect.
Now we can turn it into fancy mashed potatoes.
Bring on the toppings.
Butter,
Grated cheese,
bacon, yum.
green onions,
Parsley,
gravy,
broccoli,
and peas, please.
yum.
Let's go. Nice. We mash. You're going to love these fancy mashed potatoes.
You can make it too. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Check out the recipe.
Catch you in the kitchen. Hi Lingokids, I'm Nathaniel.
And I'm Joseph. Guess who else is here?
Callie and Elliot. Yay!
We're having a holiday party with our family.
I am so excited.
We're bringing something special.
Russian tea cakes. Even though they're called cakes, they're really cookies.
Let's cook these cookies.
Sounds good to me. Let's wash our hands.
This recipe has a lot of ingredients.
I know, I measured them.
Excellent. It's a good idea to get everything ready before you start.
I was just measuring the nuts. We need 1 cup. I already measured the butter.
Powdered sugar,
Vanilla extract,
flour,
salt,
and extra powdered sugar for on top.
mm-mm.
Nice job. Now we toast the nuts.
Banana toaster.
Ha, you're right. We toast them on a stove.
Remember, everything on the stove is hot, hot, hot.
Then you put them in the bag.
And we crush. Crush, crush, crush.
If you're allergic to nuts, you can leave them out of the recipe. Now we make the dough. We add butter and powdered sugar in the mixing bowl.
Mix, mix, mix.
Add in the vanilla and make sure it's mixed in. Now we add the flour and salt.
And we mix some more. There's a lot of mixing in this recipe. When it looks like this, it's time to add the nuts. Now we wrap the dough and we get it cold. I'm getting excited for the holiday. The dough is cold. Now we get to roll the dough into little balls. And then we get to roll it into powdered sugar.
And then they go on the baking sheet. These look delicious. Don't these look like golf balls, Nathaniel?
Like little golf balls.
Delicious golf balls. Giant cookie.
Can we make these every day?
You take the last one. There you go.
Yay! Now we bake them in a hot, hot oven. Better let an adult do this. My friend calls these cookies snowballs.
These cookies have a lot of names. People eat them in Europe, Russia, Australia, the United States, the Middle East, and Mexico, and probably other places too. They're eaten all around the world.
Cool. Yes, they're done! We waited for the cookies to cool off after baking. Now we roll them into powdered sugar again. Let's try these together. 1, 2, hey!
Perfect for our holiday party.
Everybody will love these.
Party!
I wish you could taste this. You can make it too. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Check out the recipe.
Catch you in the kitchen.